Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got just another SSD hard drive. This time I make a decision by the Apacer 256X as well, and is also the SSD for the upgrade one of the PC. I get it. Is tip is AS350X and is 3D nanocell. The package is actually plastic. I really don't like it, but hopefully hard drive is good. As you can see, there is no more too much information apart of this SATA 3 gigabytes per seconds, but it's usual for this SSD hard drive and nothing else. Like, as you can see, if you remember this verbatim hard drive, that's have a really lovely box. All of the speed and everything is on the box, and even here is actually the same, but we got also the speed here, but nothing mentioned regarding the speed here or stuff like that. But I can show you here on the Windows. It's actually this hard drive is cost 30 euro. It's cost 30 euro, and as you can see, it's 256 gigabytes. It's got a reading 560 and write 540, which is actually a little more than verbatim one, and use some built-in global wheel leveling, smart trim, and is 3D NAND technology. Okay, that's nice. I will just open it for you now. Okay, and only way to open this hard drive is actually cut it. It's so hard. That's the way how can you open it. Take it off. I will check for you if is there something else. No, it's just single paper, and that's it. Actually, nothing else inside. You can see is right something over here is the serial number, capacity. Nothing else. Is very light as usual. It's SSD. It's got very nice design. It's just stickers on the top. Nothing else. But this looks nice. It's cheap. It will make job done, and that's it. Hopefully you like this video as well. Don't forget click like, subscribe, and see you on another video where I will be putting this hard drive to other one PC and compare the speed between the old and new hard drive to make a show you actually how it looks like and how much is better with the SSD. Okay, see you later again. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye bye.